with that, there is some big breaking news which is coming in. The hearing has begun in the Varanasi Court, which is listening to the latest plea which was filed just yesterday, saying that prayers should be allowed in the interim while the courts decide the Gyanvapi matter. Now, that's the big breaking news which is coming in. Remember, Akanksha, our legal correspondent, is getting us the minute-by-minute updates which is coming in. What we do know so far is that the hearing has begun in the fresh plea which has been filed in the Varanasi Court, demanding that Lord Adi Visweswara be declared the exclusive owner of Gyanvapi and the structure be brought down. The matter is going to be coming up in the civil judge Ravi Kumar Diwakar's courtroom, and this matter is all set to be fast-tracked in the court. And that's the big breaking news which is coming in. The details of this hearing which has already begun, and it's quite interesting to see how there are of petitions. However, this one says that the Varanasi Court must declare that Lord Adi Visweswara is the exclusive owner of Gyanvapi, and thereby, once the deity gets the proprietorship of the area as it comes with it, and the structure then be brought down. Well, this, remember, is the latest plea which is coming in. What we are picking up from the courtroom of Varanasi is that this entire matter now has been handed over to the fast-track court as well. This plea has been transferred from the civil judge to the fast-track court so that there can be expeditious resolution, at least, of this plea. Remember, in addition to that, tomorrow we have another hearing which is going to be coming up in the district court. The district court is, of course, hearing a clutch of petitions as well. The Muslim side has contended that it is the maintainability of the suit of the Hindu side should be looked into as per the district judge. That's going to be the first plea which is going to be looking into. But let's still then tell you what exactly are the demands and the pleas which have been put in this plea, the latest one which is coming in. This is the first one which is coming in the fresh petition for Gyanvapi. This was to allow the worship of the Shivling which was found in Gyanvapi. That was the first one. The second one, which is to allow puja till there is district court which decides the maintainability of the plea. Remember, the maintainability of the plea is going to be taken up expectedly by tomorrow. The third one is to ban the entry of Muslims in the Gyanvapi complex. And this is going to be very interesting to see, because remember, the Supreme Court itself had said that the Muslims be allowed to carry out their namaz there after an alternative wuzu khana was built for them. Meanwhile, there is more breaking news which is coming in. The hearing which is currently underway in the Varanasi Court, we've been getting you minute-by-minute details of it, that the mosque land be allowed. In fact, it must demolish the mosque and build a Hindu temple on it. And that is massive, because remember, it directly contradicts the Places of Worship Act as per the Muslim side, which has said that there is no maintainability of it. Let me go across to Shivani, who's joining us with the very latest. After that, we'll go across to our legal editor Harish Nair, also joining us. There is also Neelashish. Shivani, get us the very latest of the plea which is currently being heard by the Varanasi Court.
See, as of now, the hearing has just started, and in fact, it has immediately been transferred also to the fast-track court. Clearly showcases that how important and crucial this particular Gyanvapi complex matter is, and hence they were not only demanding to allow them and give them access to reach out to Shivling and conduct their pujas and prayers before the Shivling. In fact, they wanted Rajbhog also to take place, Aartis to take place within that particular complex. But not only that, also to give the exclusive ownership also to the petitioner. And in fact, there we are also learning that now it has been sent and transferred to the fast-track court. Clearly understand that how earlier it was transferred from civil court to the district court by Supreme Court, and now it has been transferred from civil court to the fast-track court. So clearly it showcases that the way petitions are coming in, and not only this particular petitions but also the other petitions, clearly simply demand that they want the right to worship to the Shivling that has been found over there. And they also mentioned that not only this, that they should get access to reach out to the Shivling and conduct their prayers, but apart from that also, the namazis should not be allowed in the mosque premises, in the Gyanvapi premises. As of now, they are using the common gate of Kashi Vishwanath temple, that is gate number 4, and in fact that is also somewhere hurting the sentiments of Hindu worshippers, Hindu prayers those are conducting there. And that is why we see the new petitions those are coming in are demanding right to worship, simultaneously are also demanding that the Muslims at least for now should stop conducting their prayers and their namazes as well. But of course, as we saw that tomorrow also in the district court, the petitions will be heard on the mentability of the issue. The priority case that the judge has chosen is about the question and the queries which were raised by the Muslim side of about the mentabilities which the Hindu petitioners have found and have filed in fact. So we will be seeing what is happening going to tomorrow. But of course today the question remains same, that whether the court which has now been taken to the fast track court, how fast track court will react to it, because of course definitely the district court or the civil court would take a lot of time in fact to read all of those petitions, because one after another, after those 5